Good afternoon. I'm starting a little late with the vlogging today, but it is VEDA day 5. So hello, I had to take care of some paperwork and stuff this morning, and I'm just now picking up the phone. It is around lunchtime. I'm going to say that it might be a little bit before 1, I'm assuming. I am heating up yesterday's green beans, and I have some ham and some hash brown casserole in here. We had a ton of leftovers. Mother-in-law's going to come over and have some lunch with us, so I'm just heating all of this up. I'm about to cut Ronnie's hair. His hair grows so fast. So I'm about to cut his hair, and then I'll get myself something really cold to drink and call my mother-in-law and tell her the goods are heated up, come over and eat. And then I got to go out and run some errands later on, sometimes probably after 2 today. So that is my day. So I'm going to get this going. Hi guys, I have been a horrible vlogger today. Horrible. My mother-in-law came over and ate. You've seen where I was warming up the food. I thought that I wasn't going to go run my errands today, but my father-in-law made it home in time for me to do so. He had to go get some x-rays done, and you know, anytime you do those things, you don't know how long it's going to take. And his appointment was at 1. It was going on way after 3, and I was like, I don't think I'm going to make it. But I did. I got all that I needed done. I got to my bank. I took care of stuff, and I went to the library, and I made copies of things that I needed, and everything worked out smoothly as can be, smoothly. And so I'm so thankful. You know, when you have dreaded... when you have dreaded tasks that you have to do, if it all just goes smoothly, it's a weight off your shoulders, honestly, a total weight. So we are good there. We are done. Ronnie is outside enjoying. It is 75 degrees today. It is gorgeous. And even though I had to run errands, it was so nice. We drove with the windows down. The sun is shining. It's glorious outside. Anyways, I was trying, I don't know if you guys are having this issue, but ever since the pandemic has began and really took off, you know, every time I call a store, I cannot get anybody to answer the phones. For instance, Walmart, I need to ask a question, and I can't ever get anybody to answer the phone. I have called 4 or 5 times today, and it goes through the menu, and then it gets to where I'm going, and they hang up on me. So, that is that. I was trying to call Sam's Club to get a price on something, and I can't get through there either. So, anyhow, I don't even know what I'm going to be doing tonight because we ate really big lunch and it's glorious outside. My house is relatively clean. I washed the dishes before I left. Today is just sort of a laid-back day. We usually go to the gym tomorrow and Wednesday, but we're taking those 2 days off. Ronnie is finishing up antibiotics that he's been on for his finger. It's supposed to be beautiful outside, and he was just like, you know what, it's going to be so nice. I'm just going to stay home and just enjoy the sunshine. So that's what we decided to do. And I have little things that I want to do. So I may get some DUI. Oh my gosh. Some DIY. DUI. DUI. Oh my gosh. Some DIY things done this week. Maybe. We'll see. I have a room upstairs that I need to clean and mattresses to move. So that'll probably get done. That room needs painted and fixed up and everything. But the idea right now is just for it to be vacuumed and dusted thoroughly and get the rest of my mother-in-law stuff out of there and taken over to her house. Because at some point my parents or my kids might want to come and stay, and we do have, you know, it's a guest room. It'll be clean. It won't be decorated like I want it to be, but it will be clean. So that's all that matters right now. One thing at a time in this house. You know, anytime you have an old house, there is plenty to do. Plenty to do. Let's see, what else? I have a couple pieces of furniture that I want to paint. I bought some real pretty gray colored chalk paint, and I'm wanting to paint those now. Whether or not I get to those, I have no idea, but I'm hoping to. Today I just have a couple loads of laundry to do, and oh, I need to get on my computer, and I need to set up automatic payment for one of my bills for the month. I had to talk to them, and that we just got married a year ago, and then the pandemic hit, and there was places that was closed, and so there's been delays on shifting things and changing things, you know, putting names here and there and all that. If you guys have ever been through that, you know what I'm talking about. It's just work, right? It's just things that have to be done. So, anyhow, that is pretty much it. I feel like this is going to be the most boring vlog in the whole world, but I'm going to see what kind of trouble I can get into today. We don't have a broadcast tonight. Usually we do a gospel broadcast on Mondays, but it is not tonight because we did the special on Saturday, which was the Easter broadcast. So we won't go live tonight. We will go live again on Friday. So, and then let's see, Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be home. I don't have anything planned unless I go somewhere, which could happen. Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday we don't have anything planned, and then Friday and Saturday I think we'll be going to the gym. So we will be doing that. And I've already done all my grocery shopping and everything for the next couple weeks, and I just feel really caught up. I feel really good today, actually, that things are just, I don't know, getting accomplished. It's good. I've had a good, productive couple of days, so that's really good for me. I love that feeling, and I can go to bed tonight just knowing that I've done everything that I can do in a day, you know. Anyways, thank you again, guys, so much for your lovely comments on my VEDA videos and your support. You guys really do keep me doing this content. I mean, and I've told you guys are going to get the real me. Like today, no makeup, hair in a bun. Really need to color my hair and make some changes. I do. I know I do. Just have been so swamped with stuff. I told Ronnie, I said, you know, I don't even feel like I was this busy when I had to take care of my 3 kids. I don't get it. Bigger house maybe? I don't know, but I just don't have a minute. Well, we got a loud movie on, but I just made us what Ronnie likes to call a snackety snack, snack, right?
Oh my, so good.
So we got a ham sandwich with spicy mustard. If you're looking for them pretzels, are right there. Try those. You like those? Good, ain't it? He got his macaroni salad and some of that punch that I made yesterday. So he's eating again. And we're watching The Coal Miner's Daughter.
I love it.
So my good friend Emma Lou brought me this huge basket. Can you guys see how big this is? And I'm going to put this on the bottom shelf of my coffee table. And I'm going to keep my magazines in it. And she brought me magazines. And if you guys don't know, I absolutely love the Country Sampler. There are a lot of great magazines in here. Country House. Oh my goodness, I'm just going to have a field day reading this stuff. I love these types of magazines. Let's see here. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah, it's going to give me a lot of really bad ideas, and then I'm going to have to do things around here. But I love this. So Emma, if you're watching, thank you so much for my basket. I absolutely love it. You guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know that is super short, but tomorrow I've got a lot of things in store. A lot of cleaning and some things that I'm going to get done. So if you're looking for a little bit of cleaning motivation, watch tomorrow's VEDA. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Good night, guys.